So this is a Holmes air cleaner, and it's an older model that uses what Holmes would say is a obsolete filter system that they no longer support. This one I rebuilt and replaced the filters, and the main filters I got off of Amazon. And when you look at these filters, you see that they have a lip around them, and they also have a proprietary system where they have a box catch that goes around a piece on the filters on the air cleaner. And with these are available at reasonable cost on Amazon. You can put air cleaner filters in, and you can look through Amazon and look at dimensions and pretty much find a lot of the obsolete air cleaner filters. Now, the interesting thing is this is pre-filter material. And I buy this in bulk off of Amazon, and I make my own pre-filters. Now, with the air cleaner in question, there's two ways to go about making pre-filters if you don't have a template to go by. Now, one way is you can use the main filter and cut a square out that goes around it, and the suction will hold them on. The better way to do it is to take a look at how the pre-filter is supposed to be kept inside the filter, and you'll see on this one there's prongs. So the better way to do it is to make a full-size filter that covers all of the slats and engages these prongs. So you can cut these out with a regular pair of scissors from bulk material, and you can save a tremendous amount of money. So just a few ideas for keeping obsolete equipment running. Please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.